This is the lovely Anne Maheux, who is here visiting me today. Can you explain what we're doing?
Well, we're adding a layer to matboard that's not necessarily available in a commercial product. We're using long fiber Japanese paper, so not only do we like the color, but we like the texture because it's got a little bit of fiber showing in it.
And we like weird colors.
Oh, we love weird colors. So I'm looking and I can see this is a good spot on this sheet because there are no creases. So we're just going to place it down. Now the next step is to make an opening and leave enough to wrap around. Now I'm going to make a precise cut so that I line up that point with the little mark I've made, and that'll give us a precise 45-degree angle.
She's gonna get out the scalpel. I imagine you use your scalpel for a lot of things.
I do.
It's the cops.
The next thing I do is give it a good crease.
Oh, where do I get one of these?
I have no idea. So now we've folded that back. See that little bit of white showing?
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about that because we are using as much of this as we can. So what I usually do is make a little insert. So that covers the little exposed area of the mat.
Wow.
So would you like to do the rest?
Yeah.
As with everything that we do, it's attention to detail and taking your time. If you're having a bad day, you don't want to do something like that. So what we're going to do now that we've practiced, we're going to do a larger one with the same sort of paper. A colored Japanese long fibered paper. Scalpel?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Beautifully covered.
You bought this piece of artwork in Morocco?
Yes, this is by a Moroccan artist named El-Hani.
And a hand-wrapped Japanese paper mat board. Thank you very much for showing me how to do this.
It's been my absolute pleasure. Your Japanese papers are made with one of 3 types of plants that are grown in Japan that are known for their stability because they're very pure cellulose and they have long fibers. So
Have you been to Japan?
a couple times, yeah.
You must be big in Japan.